Welcome to Fatehpur Sikri, the city where history whispers on every corner. Our journey takes us to this UNESCO World Heritage Site, once the capital of the Mughal Empire under Emperor Akbar. Constructed in the late 16th century, Fatehpur Sikri stands as a testament to the opulence and grandeur of the Mughal era. Join us as we explore its intricate palaces, majestic mosques, and captivating legends. Let us unravel the mysteries of Fatehpur Sikri, a city frozen in time. 6. Our story begins in 1569 with Emperor Akbar, driven by a longing for an heir. The great Mughal emperor, despite his vast empire and numerous achievements, felt an emptiness in his heart. He yearned for a son who would continue his legacy and bring prosperity to his reign. On the outskirts of a village, he encountered the Sufi saint, Sheikh Salim Chishti, who blessed him, predicting the birth of a son. This meeting was not just a chance encounter, but a moment that would change the course of history. The saint's words filled Akbar with hope and renewed purpose.
True to the prophecy, a prince was born, and in gratitude, I christened him Salim and resolved to erect a magnificent city in the saint's honor. This city would not only be a tribute to the saint, but also a symbol of the divine blessing that had graced the Mughal dynasty.
Thus began the construction of Fatehpur Sikri, a name that translates to City of Victory. The city was envisioned as a grand capital, reflecting the glory and might of the Mughal Empire. Architects and artisans from across the empire were summoned to bring this vision to life. The city rose with astonishing speed, a testament to the emperor's ambition and the artistry of his craftsmen. Every brick laid and every structure built was a reflection of the empire's grandeur and the emperor's unwavering determination. For 14 years it served as the seat of Akbar's burgeoning empire, a melting pot of cultures and religions. People from different backgrounds and faiths coexisted, contributing to the city's vibrant and diverse culture. Akbar, known for his religious tolerance, envisioned Fatehpur Sikri as a symbol of unity. He believed that a harmonious society could be achieved through mutual respect and understanding among different communities. He invited scholars, artists, and theologians from various faiths to his court, fostering an atmosphere of intellectual exchange. This court became a hub of knowledge, where ideas were shared and debated, enriching the cultural fabric of the empire. The city's strategic location on the trade route between Delhi and Gujarat further enhanced its importance. It became a bustling center of commerce, attracting traders and merchants from far and wide. Caravans laden with silks, spices, and precious stones traversed its bustling streets, fueling the city's rapid growth. The marketplace was a hive of activity, with goods from across the world being traded. But like all tales of grandeur, Fatehpur Sikri's story takes an unexpected turn. Despite its initial success and prosperity, the city faced challenges that would ultimately lead to its decline. Despite its auspicious beginnings, the city's fate was sealed by a severe water shortage. The lack of a reliable water source made it difficult to sustain the growing population and the city's needs. Reluctantly, Akbar made the difficult decision to abandon his beloved city in 1585, just 14 years after its construction. The emperor's dream of a grand capital was left in ruins, a poignant reminder of the impermanence of human endeavors. Though deserted, Fatehpur Sikri stands as a magnificent testament to Mughal architectural prowess. This ancient city, once the capital of the Mughal Empire, is a silent witness to the grandeur and vision of Emperor Akbar. Its empty streets and abandoned buildings whisper tales of a bygone era where art and architecture flourished. Constructed primarily from red sandstone, the city's buildings blend Persian, Islamic, and Hindu influences. This fusion of styles is evident in the intricate carvings and detailed facades that adorn each structure, showcasing the Mughals' appreciation for diverse artistic traditions.
Dominating the skyline is the Buland Darwaza, or the Gate of Magnificence. This grand entrance, with its towering height and imposing presence, serves as a monumental gateway to the city, symbolizing the power and might of the Mughal Empire. This imposing structure, towering over 175 feet high, commemorates Akbar's successful military campaign in Gujarat. Its sheer size and architectural brilliance make it one of the most iconic landmarks in Fatehpur Sikri.
Within the city walls lies a treasure trove of architectural marvels. Each corner of Fatehpur Sikri reveals a new wonder, from grand palaces to serene gardens, all meticulously planned and executed to reflect the grandeur of the Mughal era. The Jama Masjid, one of the largest mosques in India, is a testament to the Mughal passion for symmetrical design and intricate detail. Its vast courtyard and elegant arches create a space of tranquility and reverence. Perhaps the most poignant structure is the tomb of Sheikh Salim Chishti, crafted from pristine white marble and adorned with intricate jali work. This sacred site attracts pilgrims and visitors alike, drawn by its spiritual significance and architectural beauty. The palace complex, a labyrinth of interconnected courtyards, pavilions and gardens, offers a glimpse into the opulent lives of Akbar and his court. Each space within the complex is designed to impress and inspire, reflecting the emperor's vision of a perfect city. Each structure tells a story of architectural innovation and cultural amalgamation. The city's design is a harmonious blend of different artistic traditions, creating a unique and enduring legacy. The city is a testament to the skill of the Mughal artisans, creating a timeless legacy. Their craftsmanship and creativity have left an indelible mark on the landscape, making Fatehpur Sikri a true architectural symphony. The tomb's inner sanctum houses the cenotaph of Sheikh Salim Chishti. Draped in green velvet and adorned with chadars offered by devotees, the annual Urs festival transforms the city into a vibrant spectacle of faith and devotion. Beyond the Dargah, the city bears witness to Akbar's fascination with various religions. Fatehpur Sikri was a beacon of religious tolerance, a testament to Akbar's vision of a united and harmonious society. At the heart of the city lies the Dargah of Sheikh Salim Chishti, a testament to the Sufi saint's enduring legacy. People from all walks of life flock to the shrine, seeking the saint's blessings. Fatehpur Sikri is more than just an architectural marvel. It is a symbol of religious harmony and cultural synthesis. The city's layout itself speaks volumes about Akbar's belief in the equality of all faiths. Fatehpur Sikri, despite its grandeur, met an unexpected fate. Just 14 years after its construction, the city was abandoned.
The exact reasons for this sudden desertion are shrouded in mystery. One prominent theory attributes the city's demise to a severe water shortage. The rapid growth of the city, coupled with the arid climate, put immense pressure on the water supply. Another theory suggests that Akbar's military campaigns led him to shift his capital to Lahore. Fatehpur Sikri, thus, lost its political significance and gradually faded into obscurity. Despite its abandonment, Fatehpur Sikri was not completely forgotten. The city continued to attract travelers and pilgrims, and conservation efforts have preserved its splendor.
In 1986, Fatehpur Sikri was bestowed with the prestigious title of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This designation acknowledges the city's architectural splendor and underscores the importance of preserving its legacy.
The UNESCO inscription brought a renewed focus on conservation efforts. The Archaeological Survey of India, in collaboration with international organizations, has been working tirelessly to restore and maintain the city's monuments.
The designation has also put Fatehpur Sikri on the global tourism map, attracting visitors from all corners of the world. The influx of tourists has necessitated the implementation of sustainable tourism practices.
Being a World Heritage Site requires a concerted effort to preserve the authenticity and integrity of the site.
Today, Fatehpur Sikri stands as a magnificent open-air museum inviting visitors to step back in time. This ancient city, once the capital of the Mughal Empire, is a testament to the grandeur and vision of Emperor Akbar. The city offers a plethora of attractions, each whispering tales of a bygone era. From grand palaces to serene mosques, every corner of Fatehpur Sikri has a story to tell.
Begin your journey at the Buland Darwaza, the gateway to this historical wonderland. This towering structure, built to commemorate Akbar's victory, stands as a symbol of the empire's might. Marvel at its imposing scale and intricate carvings. The detailed artwork on the gateway is a fine example of Mughal architecture.
Make your way to the Jama Masjid, one of the largest mosques in India. This grand mosque with its vast courtyard is a place of worship and reflection. Its vast courtyard evokes a sense of peace and tranquility. Here, you can witness the harmonious blend of spirituality and architectural beauty.
No visit to Fatehpur Sikri is complete without paying homage at the Dargah of Sheikh Salim Chishti. This sacred shrine is a place of pilgrimage for many. Experience the spiritual aura of the shrine as you witness devotees offering prayers. The serene atmosphere here is truly captivating.
Explore the palace complex, a labyrinth of courtyards, pavilions and gardens. Each area within the complex reveals a different aspect of Mughal life. Each structure offers a glimpse into the opulent lives of Akbar and his court. The intricate designs and grandiose architecture reflect the artistic and cultural zenith of the Mughal era. Fatehpur Sikri is not just a historical site, it is a journey through time. As you walk through its ancient streets, you are transported to an era of splendor and majesty. Fatehpur Sikri may be a ghost of its former self, but it is by no means a forgotten city. The spirit of Akbar's grand vision lives on within its preserved walls and in the hearts of the people.
The city, now a bustling town, thrives on the tourism industry. Local artisans sell intricate handicrafts, offering visitors a tangible piece of history.
The streets leading to the historical site are lined with shops and restaurants. The town has embraced its role as the custodian of a World Heritage Site.
Educational institutions offer courses in history, archaeology, and conservation. Fatehpur Sikri is a living laboratory where history, culture, and conservation intertwine.
As the sun sets on Fatehpur Sikri, we're reminded of the ephemeral nature of empires and the enduring power of human ingenuity. Fatehpur Sikri serves as a powerful reminder of our shared history and the importance of preserving our cultural heritage. We hope this journey through the heart of Mughal India has inspired you to explore the countless wonders our world has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more captivating explorations of our planet's most fascinating historical treasures.